Abbad bin Abdullah bin Zubair radiyallahu ta'ala anhu narrates that once he was with Hazrat Aisha Siddiqa radiyallahu ta'ala anha, and a man passed by who was being beaten at the door of her house for drinking alcohol. When Hazrat Aisha Siddiqa radiyallahu ta'ala anha heard the commotion, she asked what was happening. I told her that a man had been caught drunk and was being beaten. She said, Subhanallah, I heard the Prophet ﷺ say, whoever drinks alcohol is not a believer at the moment he is drinking it. However, commits adultery is not a believer at the moment he is committing it. Whoever steals is not a believer at the moment he is stealing. And whoever loots a valuable item that people look up to is not a believer at the moment he is looting it. Therefore, you should avoid these actions, avoid them. Musnad Ahmad Hadith number 23981.